Hello. So when your ice freezer is not working or the fridge is not working right, the temperature is it's not cooling. So that's what you have to check. There is a drain going right from here into the tray down below, down at the bottom of this fridge, and sometimes that get blocked, and the ice start building up over here. So I just took everything out. I have loosened these screws over here, and you can see behind it. So that's how much ice was built. I did not notice it right away. So, and then you take this cover out, and I just used the blow dryer, and it still got some ice. It's right at the bottom. Sometimes the regulators goes bad too. But first I'm going to check once it's tall. Then I'm going to check the drain that is going down from here to the bottom of this. There's a tray, and then there's a fan. Fan usually get really dirty too. So I got the compressor, and I'm gonna blow it, all the junk out. So you can take this out. You can't see too much from here. All you can do is just clean it. And let's go in the back. Okay, this is the back of it. Compressor, fan. Right here is the tray, completely empty. I cleaned the fan a little bit, but it's still got a lot of junk. Make sure this water line that is coming should have enough slack so it won't break. So right here is the tube, this one. I don't know if you can see it or not. This black looking, this is the tube hooked up in the tray, and the water that defrost comes right in this tray, and then the fan is evaporated. And make sure those grills are clean too. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.